new makeup today, and I have a special guest, another one, my sister again. The Victoria makeup. It's very cool. It's got blusher down here and some powder and eyeshadow up here, and this eyeshadows too. This is lip gloss, and this is for your eyebrows. I don't know what it's called. This is the blusher brush, but we got the blusher brush over here. My sister don't needs to do mascara because this is a very dangerous part. Kids, if you're not 6 years old, don't wear mascara like this.
Kakak, you're not kakak.
Nanti ayah cucuk mata. I'm gonna start wearing for my sister because she don't know how to wear mascara. And now I'm gonna look at the mirror and wear mascara. Okay, I'm done with the mascara, and now we're gonna move. Hey, sis!
Nak pakai lipstick.
Belum lagi. And now we're gonna move on to the blusher. First, I'm gonna do for my sister.
No, not what's in this.
And this is a unicorn makeup tutorial. Just do like this. And then just wear it. If it doesn't come out, just don't stick with the blusher. And do the same thing at the other part. And now we're gonna do bronzer, but Ayat pakai mirror ni. And now we're gonna do the bronzer. Put at your line nose, like over here. I'm gonna wait for my sister. My sister always do first. Put at your line noses. And one more thing, we got these. It is lip tint, which is good for your lips. Your lips be all squeaky clean. That's dark. I'm gonna wait for my sister. Just wear it. You knowing where I buy this crown? Well, I didn't buy it. I got it from my mommy's friend.
Auntie Farwin.
Auntie Farin. You guys don't know Auntie Farin because you guys never met her. If you know her, leave a comment down below. This one, you guys can see it. You're just gonna close your eyes like this, and then go like that.
Mom.
My sister is gonna do her lips. What? What you said?
Okay, does that look good?
Sis,
I'm gonna just do a little bit more, and now I'm gonna do a light blue one, which is this one. Let me show you guys. I'm just gonna do a small one, which is this one a small brush, and I'm gonna use light maroon color, and then put it at the middle. Like that. I cannot show you guys because I need to see at the mirror always, like for this. Or the brush and the powder will go into my eyes. And now I'm gonna use, I did the purple and blue, and now I'm gonna put the white up here, right, Mom?
Yes.
Okay. My scissors. Okay. This is a very dark color. Right here, like, right, Mom?
Yeah.
It's way more creepier.
Wow.
I told you guys this. 4 years old kids is like that. And now I'm gonna do the lips. And after the lips, I'm gonna do my eyebrows. One. And now I'm gonna wear it. I'm gonna see the mirror. I'm gonna put this bottle down and then come. And now I'm gonna move on to the eyebrows. I'm gonna do like that. And now I'm gonna take the mirror and then like squeaky. I'm gonna open this up. Okay. And I'm gonna put this back. And now this is the end of the video. Bye. See you, bye, sis.
Bye.
Bye.